Good morning, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm back. I'm back at sunny Filey to go for another paddle. Now my success rate with sea paddling is 30%. I've done 3, had 2 dodgy ones, and yeah, had 1 really good one. Today I have a funny feeling is going to be a good one. Let me show you why. Just look how calm that is. Now I had a feeling the conditions would be spot on today, simply because there's a new moon, and as you know, the moon affects the tides, and generally when the moon is full you get more pressure on the tide, so it tends to be a little bit more volatile. Also, as you can tell by the weather, the air pressure is high, and those conditions generally mean a nice calm sea. So I'm going to get set up. I've got the Packraft today, the Expedition 85 by Aquaglide. I've always fancied having a go ever since I got that, because I think it'd be a really good little sea craft. Also, really easy to dry out and take care of. I am going to see my mum today, so I want low maintenance. Also, can you see that chap up there? That's Tom. Just met Tom. He's now part of our WhatsApp group for group events and so on. And I said about coming today, and he said I'll come because he only lives not too far away. Say hello, Tom.
Morning, inflatable fans.
He's got it. Right, let's get set up. And of course, one of the great advantages to this Packraft is it's just so damn light. Are you right?
I've lost my car keys.
I did the same thing.
Car's locked.
Oh. You mean these car keys that are on here? So while Tom's just finishing set up, I'll show you what my rig is here today. So I've got the camera, which is you, which is attached to the boat, and then I'm also going to be using the chest cam on the mount. This is my GoPro Hero 7 Black, and for air support, buoyancy aid, I've got the gug with me today so that I can inflate this underneath the chest cam. Boobies! Right, we're both ready to get wet. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, mill pond. Right, I'm about knee deep here. I should be able to just pile in. And I'm in. Let's just film Tom getting in. Just need to get a bit further out past the where it's braking a little bit, so I don't get bounced around too much. Oh man, it's lovely. Here he comes in the banana boat. Now the tide is going out, we do need to just be aware of that. But there's no offshore wind, or we're not going far from the shore anyway. He's going in. He's making it look difficult. It's always awkward first time in sea. Here we go, he's in. Don't get sideways on! Paddle your way out and then sort yourself out. You've kind of got to paddle out past the breakers, then sort yourself out.
I did, but for some reason I went backwards. It took too long to actually get in my boat.
Right, you alright?
Yeah, sorted.
Okay. Bloody lovely, isn't it?
Smashing.
Right, which direction do you want to go in?
I'm going to leave it completely up to you.
Well, let's go, I mean, I've been down that way before towards the brig, so let's go Primrose Valley way. We just have to watch the tide because the tide is going out. Oh man, this is lovely. It's so calm. there's just a few waves coming in and they just lift you up and drop you down. So long as you're not sideways onto the breakers, you're fine. I mean, we're sideways onto the tide, but we're not in the breakers. So it just gently bobs you around. Tell you what, I knew this pack raft was going to be a good craft for this. Feels ace. I have got a bilge sponge with me, just in case. That's just here. I think Tom's just filming at the moment on his stick cam. He's got one of those Insta360s. So I'll put a link to his channel in the comments because he should get some good footage. Oh, I'm getting lifted up here. I'm just going to move out. Whoa, that's a big one. Move out a little bit. Oh, look at the cliffs over there. Doesn't it look amazing? Well, so far, a sea paddle that's shaping up alright. I might be up to 50%. Oh, what a glorious morning. Look at Tom there, silhouetted against the sun. Looks ace. Now perhaps I should add, you might have noticed I've got the skeg in this pack raft today for obvious reasons. I don't want to be spinning around on a donut in the sea. I want to have some control over the boat. But obviously it's never going to be a fast paddle in a pack raft. Oh, there's gulls diving in the water here. There were some seals knocking about earlier. I can see a cormorant on the water over there. Oh, this is just lovely. Just bobbing around. When you get a good sea paddle, it really is lovely. So I'm 2 out of 4, 50%. I think I'm going to paddle up to Tom and see what he's up to. Look at this, just bobbing along. It is lovely.
Weather's turning foot worse, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, not today, hopefully.
No, it's not like late tomorrow. Thunderstorms and...
Oh yeah, we're due some thunderstorms. I think we've timed it right. We have drifted a little bit far out, a little bit of a way out, I should say. But we're just heading along the coast. Primrose Valley is over there, and we're just kind of heading in that direction. It's nice to meet Tom for the first time. He asked to be part of our group a little while ago because he'd liked the group meets, fancied the idea of the group meets, and he lives near Scarborough. So I thought, yeah, well, I'll get along. And he's been out with Steve, he's been out with Nun's Chuff, I should say, and he went out with Nun's Chuff last week. So it's a good group to be a part of because you get to meet other people and yeah, and have fun on the water. And you've got a safety buddy as well a lot of the time, which is a good thing. Woohoo, this is a big one. Hey. You just gently get rocked about, it's lovely. Now, see if we can see a seal. I can only see gulls. But they were about in this area. Yeah, nice thing about the pack raft, look at that. Nice little 360 Scouts. Cool.
Yeah, it's not that I don't like fishing.
I mean, they actually make inflatable kayaks especially for fishing.
Do they?
Yeah, yeah. You know, with rod mounts and all sorts.
Right, I didn't know they did inflatable.
Yeah? Well, there's Primrose Valley, site of the old Butlins as was. Might go a little bit further, eh? Kind of got the urge to paddle over to Hummonby Gap and Reeton, which is over there. I'd like to do that one day. Just inspired with today being so nice. There might be a bit more footage on this chest cam, purely because battery's going in this one. And the sound might not be quite as good because this one is in a housing. But I won't know that until I get back to base. So we're level with Primrose Valley now. I have to say, I am really impressed with this Aquaglide Expedition 85 Packraft on the sea. It feels great. Turns on a dime. As I say, it's got the skegging, but it's just a delight to paddle on here. It's about 8:15. I'm going to give it about another 5-10 minutes and then head back and go and see Mum. It's amazing how far we've come. Because we're nearly at Hummonby Gap. We're not too... Yeah, we're not too far away. I've been thinking, do you know, I'd love to do... It'd be so easy to do Reeton and back on here, especially on a day like this. I'd love to do that one day. Right, we've turned round and we're heading back. Now, I forgot to put my watch on. Tom said we're doing about 1.5 miles, so I've stuck mine on for the trip back. Heading back now. Oh, it's lovely. It's been absolutely glorious. Tide's getting a bit further out, so yeah, definitely time to go back. But also, like I say, I need to see my mum. Seeing my mum today. Toy? I think Tom's enjoyed himself. That might be his nickname, Toy. Yeah, Tom seems to be really enjoying himself. He says he's done a lot of swimming in the past and so on, so he's quite confident on the water. Just the first time he's been out in a boat on it, in a kayak anyway. I've noticed that I'm pootling along at a steady 2.5 to 3 miles an hour, so it's not bad at all really. I have to say, having had a quick look at the footage for the hyperlapse on the Hero 9 Black, I am actually really quite impressed. I didn't expect it to be quite so fluid. Yeah, very good. At least I know it can handle that. The reason why I expected it to be a little bit sketchy is this Packraft, the nose twitches around like no tomorrow, so it's hard for the camera to get a horizon lock on. But it's coped with it. There's a big yacht out there. I think Tom's kind of paddled out a little bit further to have a gander. Quite a few boats out there on the horizon. I very much doubt this camera will pick them up though. We're not too far now from where we launched. We launched from Bridge Hole. Can you see it? Can you see why it's called Bridge Hole? Looks like there's some people getting ready to go out on a paddleboard there. Not far to go for me. Bridge hole just up ahead. I'm going to come at it straight in. Saves getting broadsided. Still can't get over just how glorious it is today. Wow. Tom might go a bit further, I don't know. It looks like he's enjoying himself a lot. Like, who could blame him? Who could blame him? Okay, battery's gone on the 9, and I was just about to turn in anyway to Bridge Hole. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, you know what to do about liking and subscribing and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'm going to turn in now and ride the waves to the shoreline. Not that there's much in the way of waves to ride today, but here we go. It is kind of cool, they just push you in. Now I wonder at what point will the skeg hit the bottom. I am quite intrigued actually, because this thing does only have a short skeg on, so let's see how close. I mean, at the moment I'm about 40 foot away from the waterline, so not far. Let's see how close I can actually get. Way, that was a good ride. Woohoo! About there, yeah, about there. Right, time to hop out. Brilliant little boat this, brilliant, love it. Look how light that is. Alright there, Tom. Alright.
Really enjoyable.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. Tom's got quite a good idea going on here, right? Because he hasn't got much space to dry it out and clean stuff at home, he's got like a little pressure pump canister. There you go, a little garden hose canister, so he can clean his boat out, clean his boat down and dry it out before he gets home.
I do have a bit of nozzle.
Yeah, but that one's doing the job, isn't it? Good idea, right? See, I bring these ideas to you courtesy of the brains of other people. There it is, all back in the bag. I do love the fact that that Mountain Warehouse 90 litre bag has come in handy for the Cirrus trip. It's great for the Packraft trip. I'll do another video showing you what I've actually got in that bag, what I brought with me today. I don't know whether they're useful, but for me I just think it's quite handy for people to know what's good stuff to take with you for this kind of outing. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye to Tom. Tom's just sort of like wrapping his stuff up now, getting ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.
Bye people.